In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho projects for social media agency. To begin, you will set up a project. In Zoho Projects, look to the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This is where all of your client work lives, so keeping it organized from the start will save you time later. Once you are in Projects, go to the upper right corner and select New Project. This opens the project setup screen, where you define the basics. Now enter your project title. For a social media agency, it helps to name the project clearly, such as the client brand name or the specific campaign you are managing, so it is easy to find later. Next, choose your start date and end date. These dates give your team a shared timeline, and they also make it easier to plan content cycles and see what is active right now versus what is already completed. Then select a project layout. The layout controls how information is organized inside the project, so pick one that matches the way your team prefers to work and track deliverables. After that, choose your privacy setting. If you select private, only project members can access it, which is useful when you have internal planning, drafts, or client work that should stay limited to a specific team. If you select public, all portal users can access the project, which can be useful when broader visibility is needed. Choose the option that fits how you manage collaboration. Once the project is created, you are ready to add tasks. Go back to the Project section in the left sidebar and click into the project you just made. In the top navigation bar inside the project, select the Tasks tab. This is where you will break down the work into trackable items, like content creation, design, scheduling, and approvals. In the top right, click Add Task. Type a clear task name that describes the outcome, so anyone reading it knows exactly what needs to be delivered. Finally, click the Start and Due Date field and set your deadline. This is important for keeping posting schedules on track and making sure work is assigned a realistic timeline. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.